our first 10 semi-finalists for the evening. Churachandpur, let's find out who would be our next semi-finalist.
We have the results in our hands, ladies and gentlemen.
The second top 10 semi-finalist is contestant number 3, Vahoy Chong Haukip. Contestant number 3, Vahoy Chong Haukip.
Each spot becomes more precious. We have our top 3 right here, right now. I'm going to call up the third contestant in our top 10. Contestant number 14, Kim Nunthem Angelica Bora.
Here she is, the third person to secure a place in our top 10. Next up we have contestant number 11, Nancy Mayang Lambam.
Contestant number 11, Nancy Mayang Langbam. The next contestant who can have a spot in the top 10 finalists is... I'm gonna keep it a little slow. We have contestant number 2, Gloria Sanate. She seems like a crowd favorite, Rose.
She is, and I believe that each of these contestants have put in their heart and soul to this, and I think they all deserve it. They look gorgeous. So here she is, contestant number 2, Gloria Sanate. 5 down. And place number 6 belongs to contestant number 5, Kim Ching Them Sing Son.
We have contestant number 5, Kim Ching Them Sing Son. There is also a place in this competition for Miss. Whom do you think is it gonna be, Churachandpur? Whom do you think is it gonna be, Churachandpur? I'm gonna call up the next contestant, contestant number 12, CC Lingdae Chongkim Kong Sai. We have contestant number 12, CC Lingdae Chongkim Kong Sai.
The contestant who can join the rest 7 is contestant number 18, Ning Zakim Baite. Contestant number 18, Ning Zakim Baite.
Only 2 spots remain. So many beautiful women, but so little space left. We have our next contestant. We have our next contestant, contestant number 1, Irungbam Pinky Devi.
That will be contestant number 1, Irungbam Pinky Devi.
The last spot goes to contestant number 15, Rosie Nyang Moy.
These are all in random order. We welcome our 10th semi-finalists for this evening. Here they are, ladies and gentlemen, our top 10 semi-finalists. Congratulations, ladies.
When we come back, out of these 10, 5 will move one step closer to be crowned the Miss Good 2022. Churchanpur, let's find out in a short moment.
We request the ushers to kindly come on the stage to arrange the seats for this. You will have exactly 2 minutes to complete your answer.
And this is to request all the contestants again, please mention your name and your contestant number as well.
We request the panel of judges to kindly proceed towards the respective. The common question. Please feel free to ask me to repeat if you would not have got the question, because we would want you to give it your best. So good luck, ladies. Here's your question. Do you think smartphone is spoiling human relationships? Or does it not spoil the relationships? And please explain why. I'll repeat that for you. Do you think smartphones is spoiling human relationships, or does it not? If yes, please why? Good luck. And the time starts now. We only have 2 minutes.
Exactly 2 minutes, ladies. Thank you, Churchanpur.
Thank you so much for being so supportive. I would request the ushers to kindly come up and collect the answer sheets from our contestants. This contestant, which is contestant number 16, Teresa, has written as this. That is contestant number 16, Teresa. Teresa says, the fact that smartphones is both good and bad depends on the beholder. Smartphones have given us the ability to connect with our loved ones and people who live far away from us. It does not affect our both mental and physical health. Everything is good, but in moderation. Thank you.
This was your contestant number 16, Teresa's answer. Now I have with me the answer for contestant number 15, Rosie Nyang Moy. Please step forward. So her answer is this. No, I don't think smartphone spoils relationships because it helps us communicate in times of emergency. It also gives information easily by making calls or texting. It also helps people to contact each other regularly. It is also the fastest and easiest way the real strong bond relationships between families, loved ones and friends. That was your contestant number 15's answer, Rosie Nyang Moy.
Our third 10 finalist, contestant number 14, Kim Noon Them Angelica Bora. The judges are simply confirming the details before we proceed. Contestant number 14, Kim Nunthem Angelica Bora, has written as this: smartphone plays a very important role in our modern life. It is connecting and bringing people together around the world. A human relationship cannot be defined by smartphones, but by emotion and respect. So according to me, smartphones does not affect human relationships. That was contestant number 14. Thank you.
Step forward, contestant number 18, Ningsai Kim Baite. Contestant number 18 has written this: I believe smartphones does not spoil human relationships, but rather connect humans. People living in different countries and places can build their connection through using smartphones. Not only that, it also helps us in our daily life, from students to job seekers or anyone. Thank you so much. That was the answer from contestant number 18, Ningsai Kim Baite.
Please step forward, contestant number 12, Sisi Lingdei Chongkim Kongsai. And her answer is, I think that smartphone, it depends on a person, and I think for someone who used it in a good ways won't spoil it. But for someone who used it a bad ways can spoil it. Thank you.
Please step forward, contestant number 5, Kim Ching Them Sing Son. So she disagrees to this question and she answers as this: no, because smartphones usage depends on individuals using it. The people from both sides should learn to communicate more and have a mutual understanding between them. They should instead keep on communicating and make their relationship stronger by texting, FaceTiming, and more. That was your contestant number 5, Kim Ching Them Sing Son.
Next up we have contestant number 1, Irangbam Pinky Devi. Please step forward. Thank you. Contestant number 1 has answered as this: no, I don't think, because smartphone helps people connection with each other. I can help in people with good relationship, with love and care through smartphone. Thank you very much.
Next we have, please step forward, contestant number 11, Nancy Mayang Lambam. She answers as this: as we are living in a 21st century, we need a smartphone. It can either bring our relationship close or depart that relationship. So let us use in good terms to support each other and for the development of our society. That was the answer from contestant number 11, Nancy Mayang Lambam.
Our second final is contestant number 2, Gloria Sanate. Please step forward. Gloria has answered as this: technology have become smarter in the 21st century. Even small kids can use smartphones to watch YouTube. If we used in the way it means a blessing for us. We abuse it can ruin someone's life. It depends on the individual. Thank you. Thank you, Gloria.
Our last contestant, please.
That will be all for now. Thank you so much, ladies. You may now exit the stage.
Those were your top 10 semi-finalists. One of them will soon be crowned the Miss Coot 2022. Next.